Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to bridge your tokenized domains to Basechain on the Doma app. It's super easy. First, open the Doma app. In the top right corner, click your wallet, then choose Portfolio. Now switch to the second tab, Domains. Here the UI shows you which chain each domain is on. For example, you can see these are already on Base, as I've bridged them before. Now let me show you how. Click onto the domain you want to bridge to open the domain page. Here you'll see the Bridge button in the top banner. Click Bridge, choose Basechain here, then confirm and sign with your wallet. And that's it. Easy, right? So now you're probably wondering where to start if you don't own a domain at all. I got you. Go to Interstellar.xyz, search for your fave domain and add it to your cart. And if you want to tokenize it directly on Base, make sure you choose Base Mainnet in this drop-down before you check out. Once you've purchased the domain, simply log into the Doma app using the same wallet you used on Interstellar. Your domain will automatically appear in your portfolio. It's completely seamless. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please leave a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.